All right, hey everybody. I'm going to be teaching you how to start your first blog. So go ahead and log in. You're going to come to this screen right here, and there's these buttons over here. This one's to upload video. This one's to upload an image. This one's to upload audio. I never use these three right here or this one at the end. I always use this first one, which is the text, because in this one you can do the same things that you can do in either of these three. So, to find a topic to talk about, you either want to be talking about something that's gone viral, and what that means is something that a lot of people are sharing, that's coming up in any top news stories or anything like that, or you want to be talking about something that's going to give your readers or the niche that you're trying to target something of value. So to give them something of value, you want to be solving a problem for them. So think about what your product can can solve for the person that you're trying to market to. So if you're doing uh, the fuel saver thing, think of what problems are you solving with that. Well, of course you're increasing their gas mileage or their fuel economy. So you could think of something that talks about how you're going to show them how they can save on their however much they're spending in fuel a month. So the first thing to do, the like a viral topic, just go to news.google.com, and pretty much anything in here is, or anything towards the top is anything you could use for a viral topic. So let's see. Okay, I'll use this one because it's short. So let's say this is what you wanted to talk about in your blog topic because it's something that you found that has gone viral. So the first thing I like to do, I like to either use Microsoft Word or Google Docs or something like that to write in before I actually put it in my blog. So I'm going to open up a new one. Veterans Family Heirloom Jeep stolen from driveway. So I'm going to copy that over here. And what you're going to want to do is reword everything in your own words so that you're not copying word for word what they're saying. So for this, we can say, um, Veterans Jeep stolen. I can't think of anything right now, so I'm going to just use that, and I'll come back and change it later. So then you're going to skip down. Get the next part. Marshville, Washington. Imagine having a precious family heirloom stolen from your home without a trace. That's what the owner of an off road Jeep called it. a prized family possession. So veterans, so I'm actually going to change this. Veterans prize possession stolen from outside. So that's what I'm going to put my topic as. Let me make it smaller. So what you're going to do is you're just going to reword this. So, imagine waking up to your family's missing. That's what one veteran woke up to. The family's prize possession Jeep been stolen without a trace. Been stolen without a trace. All right, so that was the first paragraph. Then the second one, you're going to do the same thing. Truck had been passed down through generations from one military family to another. The family said the off-roader is worth more than anyone else could appreciate. Okay. The prized Jeep had been passed down from one generation to the next. Says the Jeep is worth to them. You can actually keep that if that's something that they actually said. So I'm gonna go there. And then let's say I want this image right here. So to get the image, you're just gonna right click on it, save image as, pick where you want to save it at, and then name it whatever you want to name it. And then in here, what I do is I put pic of Jeep. So I know that that's where I plan on putting the picture of the Jeep. So I'm gonna go back here. Get another paragraph. Put it in here. So not only did the crooks get away with the Jeep, but they also got away with the trailer it was on. And then you're gonna, put whatever else. I mean, you get it from here. You pretty much just rewrite everything in your own words, so you're not copying them. Then once you do that, you're gonna select all of it, copy it, go to your blog, go into this section under the description, and then you're gonna paste it there, and then we'll get the title out of there by highlighting it all, copying it, and then pasting it up here. For the title, you're always going to want to put it as a heading 1 so that it's bigger and it's bolded. And also, this helps with the search engine optimization also. And then for where the picture was supposed to be, you just highlight that right there. You're going to go over here to this last button. It's the Add Media button. You'll click that. Go to Upload from Computer. Then you'll click here to browse computer. And then go to the folder that you saved it under. There it is. Click it. Hit open. Okay, so this image is too small. It needs to be 260 by 260 pixels. So for this, you're going to have some sort of photo editor. Let's create a new blank file. What was this? Jeep. And then it needed to be at least 250 by 250. So I'm going to do 260 by 260. Okay. And I also got to open it. And then this program that I'm using right now is Photoshop, by the way. Crap first. Sorry. Okay, let's start over. Okay, so to avoid all that, try not to pick small pictures to upload. But in this case, it was a picture that was related to this story, so I had to change the size. Add media. There it is. And then let's say that I wanted to add video to this as well. So let's go to YouTube. Let's see. I'm going to see if there's a video about it. Yep, here's a video about it right here.
The Yamaha Viking, and introducing the all-new Viking 6. The hardest working, most often a treasured family heirloom passed down through.
Okay, click the share button, and then you're going to copy this URL right here, and then you're going to go back to your blog. You're going to click the embed from URL, and then you're going to go to video because it's a video, and then you're going to paste that into there. Add media. I'm going to actually delete that. And you know what? I might actually really make this as one of my blog posts. So I'm going to post this into here again. It's going to be a heading 2. Check out the news video below for more info. There it is. All right, and then for income disclosure, whenever you're talking about income, if you're an affiliate, you always want to have the income. But since we're not talking about anything with Empower Network, I'm not putting that on there. Then for here, I'm gonna do public blog, all team members. So let me back up a little bit. So this menu right here, the add member names or product purchase groups, this allows you to only show it to like people that are on your team or people that have purchased certain products already, or or to the public for everyone to view. So I pretty much always use the public blog because I never write anything on my blog that's only for certain groups. If I'm going to do that, I'll just send an email to that group instead of doing it that way. So then you're going to select blog. I'm going to do the Empower Network blog. Category. I'm going to put it in videos and news. And if you didn't, when you first start, you're probably not going to have any categories. So to add category, you just hit the add category, and then you just type whatever you want. Click save, and it'll add it to the list here below. Then scroll down. And the good thing about Empower Network is it automatically comes up with a meta tag, or I'm sorry, a meta title tag. uh, based off of the title that you choose, and it also comes up with some meta keyword tags. I'm not gonna get into looking at it to see if these are correct or what should be here right now. For the time being, since you're new to this, you're just gonna let it put what it puts up there, and you're not gonna mess with that. So then you're gonna come down here, and then you're gonna hit publish. And then there it is. There is your first blog. Just make sure everything looks okay. Play the video.
A treasured family heirloom passed down through generations is stolen, and a Snohomish.
So it's that simple. So after you do this, since this is a pretty huge news story, instead of you doing what you normally do, how if you're on Facebook or something like that, you normally see something pop up about some sort of news going on, and instead of you now just clicking the share button, what you can do is go to your blog, rewrite it like we just did, and then go back to your blog. You'll click on that story. You'll copy this URL, and then here, let me just go to Facebook. And for me, since I have my own domain name, I'm actually gonna put that there instead. And we'll get into how to do that in another video. And there you go. So instead of you sharing the link that you saw on your Facebook page, you can go rewrite the story and then share that. And what that's going to do is it's going to draw traffic to your website or your blog, and people are going to look around and they're going to see that, okay, yeah, you do have a few news stories, but hey, what if I'm interested in blogging for profits, and I click on this, and then I find information like this, and how do I get started with my new Empower Network blog? Oh, I want to do that. I want to get started with my blog, and there you have it. So you have a person that might not have even been interested in this at first. They just came to your site to look at the the news of the Jeep that was being stolen, and here they are turning into a lead, and then you're capturing their information, and it turns into a sale. That's all I'm going to do for this video. So I want you to go back, and I want you to write a blog, either do something like I just did as far as a viral news topic, or write on something that's going to provide your reader with value, such as if you go to mine, like let's say this one, like what are keywords, so if you're an internet marketer, if they're new to the business, they're going to see, a lot of training on keywords, and they might not know what keywords are. So if they search for that, or if they're on my blog and they look at that, that's going to be something that's going to provide them with value, because they need to know what keywords are, and I'm solving that problem for them. So that's it for today. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below in the comments section. I'll probably be making a blog out of this. So if you're watching it on the blog, leave a comment in the blog. If you're watching it on YouTube, leave a comment on YouTube. Thanks.